Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to create users in Salesforce and how to prevent the user from login. Firstly, user. We can create one or more users inside the organization. When you create user, that time we have to provide profile. Without user license, we cannot create users. Open your Salesforce account. After that, go to setup. In quick find, search users. After that, open users. Click new users. Write first name. I'm right here, Karan Patil. After that, email address, username. Select role and select a Western sales team. After that, select user license and select a Salesforce. After that, select profile and select here read only. After that, simply click here save. User is successfully created. Here. In this way, we can create users in Salesforce. After that, next point is how to prevent the user from login. In Salesforce, we cannot delete users, but we can deactivate and freeze the users. Open Salesforce account, go to users and select users. After that, click here edit and simply click here active. After that, save button. In this way, we can deactivate the users. After that, how we can freeze the users. Select users and simply click here freeze. In this way, we can freeze the users. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.